In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Memphis. To get started, open your web browser and go to the City of Memphis Traffic Payments website. This is the official online payment page where you can look up eligible tickets and begin the payment process. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before entering any personal information. On the page, look for the option to pay your traffic fines. This section is where you'll begin the search for your ticket. The goal here is to identify your record correctly so the system can pull up the right citation. It's a good idea to have your ticket and identification nearby before continuing, since the next few fields will require exact information. First, enter your driver's license number in the appropriate field. Make sure you type it carefully without any mistakes, since even a small error can prevent the system from finding your record. If you're copying it from a physical license or document, double-check the numbers before moving on. Next, enter your last name exactly as it appears on your license or ticket. Accuracy matters here as well, especially if your name includes hyphens, suffixes, or special formatting. Matching the official record will help avoid search issues. After that, fill in your date of birth. Be sure to use the format requested on the website. If the site provides a calendar tool, you can use that to reduce the chance of entering the wrong date. Then enter your ticket number. This is one of the most important details in the search process, so it's worth taking an extra second to confirm that every digit is correct. If your citation includes letters as well as numbers, make sure you enter those exactly as shown. If you're paying a parking ticket, you may also need to enter your vehicle tag number. This field is specifically for parking-related citations, so if you're dealing with a standard traffic ticket, you may not need to fill that part in. If you do enter a tag number, check that it matches the plate information on your citation. Once all the required information has been entered, click the search button. This will submit your details and allow the website to locate your ticket in the system. If nothing appears, review each field carefully and correct any possible typing errors before trying again. And that's how to begin paying a traffic ticket online in Memphis. Take your time, enter your information carefully, and you'll make the process much smoother.